All right, so I'm going to come back and take care of part two of this roof. So now we're going to head up to that second floor roof, which is going to be a gable style roof, okay? And it's actually going to be probably best or easiest to complete this in two different pieces. So you have two different gable roofs that we will join together and create one complex piece of geometry. So let's just look at the boxes that we need to cover. So we have to cover kind of like this box or this space here on the second floor, and we have to cover this other smaller box on the second floor. And we want those two roofs to share one sloping surface on the longer side of those two boxes where they join up. So what we'll do is we'll pay attention to what floor we're going to work on, all right, or what level we're going to work on. So if I look at my building, that level that I want to build the roofs on is actually called roof level, all right, and it does exist over here in my project browser, or it exists in 3D space. And you can just double click on that datum for roof to get there. All right, so this little symbol, the blue symbol with like half blue and half white, is a datum marker. You can double click on that to get to that view, or you can just find the view label over here in project browser and you can double click on it, select it, and you'll end up there. Now, in the background, in the underlay, I do see my second floor. All right, so my second floor plans look like this. All right. If I go to my roof plan, I should see them. A number of you have reported that you do not see them in your plans. So what I want you to do is I want you to just click in the background here for in the roof plan. So I'm in the roof plan. Just go ahead and click in the background. You'll see the properties for that plan view, for the roof plan view. And if you scroll down to underlay, all right, if you do not see anything, it's probably because your underlay is off. Okay, so you probably see something like this. That doesn't work for us. We need to see our second floor. So you're going to go ahead and turn on your second floor. All right, and once it's there, now you can start building your roof, all right, your gable roof up on top of that up on top of that roof plan level, all right, based on the walls of the second floor. So that's exactly what we want to do. So we're going to click on the roof tool, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to use our pick walls tool. We're going to keep that overhang value of 1 foot in there, and we can go ahead and we can start drawing. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to build one of the gable roofs. So I'm just going to go over top of the big box right now. Okay, so we'll just do that. If I look at my sketch looks pretty sloppy, so we're just going to clean it up with the trim tool. So I'm going to click on these two lines to just kind of create a nice little 90-degree angle. And if we were to finish this right now, every side has slope. That's not what we're looking for, right? So we'll just go back in and edit that. And we'll pay attention to which way things should slope. So the roof should slope down in the direction of the shed roof over here. All right, so we know we want to keep slope on this line. It's a gable roof, so the line parallel to it's going to keep slope. So these two lines that are selected in blue are going to stay with slope. These two lines on the edge are not going to keep slope. All right, so we can go ahead and we can turn that off. The other thing you can do is you can go ahead and you can adjust your slope from 9/12 to 6/12. All right, that works pretty well. And we can turn that roof on. Next thing, all right, if we look at that in 3D, that looks great. That's exactly where it's supposed to be. We need to get a roof that covers this little box over here. So I'm just going to go back to my roof plan view. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create another roof by footprint. I'm going to do the same exact thing I just did, all right, over top of this little box. The only difference is the wall on the inside of the house here, all right, where I want the roof to stop is going to be the line I'm going to use just to kind of terminate that roof. So we'll use the trim tool just to clean this up and make it into a box. We'll go ahead and we'll select the two lines right now that are going to maintain slope. So slope stays here and here. Slope is removed from these other two lines on the outside. All right, we can go ahead and we can change our roof slope over to 6/12. All right, I'm going to hit the little green check mark. We'll take a look at things in 3D, and you will notice that you have a roof, all right, that overlaps geometrically with the existing roof where it's supposed to go, and we can just simply hit the little join roof tool option or join geometry tool, and we can select those two different roofs and kind of create one with them. All right, and now it's really just a matter of connecting the walls up to the roof, which I'm going to put into a third video for you.